Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I'm not in my usual setup over there. As you can see, I cannot be bothered moving all of my filming equipment. So basically I'm doing a tutorial every single day this month if you are new here, and today is day 4, so this is the highlighter I'm going to be using to base this look on. It's a golden toned kind of highlighter with a bit of like a greeny goldy reflect to it. I think it's really gorgeous and I used it to create this look. So if you're interested in 24 tutorials this month, then make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. So today is day 4 of the Advent Calendar, and today's look is using the Sprinkle Town highlighter in Cinnamon Spice, and it's this gorgeous bronzy colour. As you can see, I've created this really nice glowy natural kind of everyday look because I'm exhausted today. You may not be able to tell now because I've kind of perked up a bit, but I wanted a look to basically make myself look more alive. So yeah, that is what I've done. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. It's super simple, super easy, and yeah, let's just get on with the video. Please be warned, in 3 seconds I will look like I'm dead. So today's product is kind of just on trend with the look that I'm going for. If you watched my video yesterday, you will have seen I am exhausted. Today is no other story, if not worse. I am so shattered. So I'm going to go for a natural bronzy look using the product, and it's kind of going to be like a how to look alive when you feel like you're dead kind of look. But first I'm trying out this lash serum from the brand GOTS. I'll start with the skin for once today, so I'm going to put some of this on first, just on my lashes, and then we will see and move on to the eyes. I also have my cat on my lap today. It's going to be a bit of a mishmash video, but you know, this is what I signed up for, doing videos every single day. I am exhausted and it's only day 4, but you know, subscribe because it's killing me. So I don't know if you can see, but my skin is having a bit of a mare on my nose. Every day I wake up with a new spot. As one leaves, another one appears. So I'm going to moisturise my skin, but I'm also just going to apply some oil. This is the Emilee Superfood Facial Oil, just because my skin is so dry at the moment and I want a really radiant finish on my skin. So I'm just going to fill my brows in as I usually do with my permanent taupe colour tattoo from Maybelline. Just really basic, and I'm just going to do some natural like bushy kind of brows. So when I do this, I just take some on the back of my hand and then just kind of like work the brush in to kind of warm up the product, and then I just like go in and fill them in however I'm feeling it that day. So before I go in with foundation, I'm just going to go in with this liquid highlighter. This is from the brand Here's Beauty, and I'm just going to apply this on to my cheeks, just underneath the foundation, to give like a really nice glow and luminosity. So I'm just going to use a buffing brush to blend this all over my cheek area. I'm then going to apply some of one of my favourite foundations, which is the Revlon ColourStay Combination Oily. I'm in the shade Sand Beige, and I'm literally just going to apply a tiny bit onto my brush. That's like half a pump, and that's all I'm going to need for my face. I'm just going to dot it round, just because I want a really light amount. This is a really good coverage, so it will cover nicely without needing loads. And then I'm just going to start like pressing this into the skin. And as you can see, it blends really nicely, but the highlight underneath gives it a nice glow. I'm then just going to apply a bit of concealer. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define in C6. And I'm just going to apply a tiny bit under my eyes and then on my nose, because I have all of these blemishes. If I didn't have all of these blemishes, I wouldn't be applying on my nose so much. So then I'm just going to blend this out with my sponge. I'm just going to blend it in this area here, just in this little triangle. And I'm not going to take it onto the lids because I want the natural colour of my lids to stay bare. To set my under eyes only, I'm going to take a tiny bit of this banana powder, a really light amount, and just press this on this under eye area. I'm going to go in with this bronzer because it's got a tiny bit of shimmer to it and it's not got too much colour. So I'm just going to take this all over my cheek just as like a bronzer, just where we put that liquid highlighter, just to kind of warm up the cheeks, make it look more, you know, just bronzy and glowy. I'm also just going to do the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose because I don't want to contour, I just want to add some colour. And I'm going to take the product from the calendar, which is this beautiful golden toned highlight. I'm just going to take some of my finger first and place this all over my lid space, just really like a bit slapdash, just, you know, for a bit of colour. And then just going to take this on the same bronzer brush and I'm literally just going to put this all over my cheek area. This would be an amazing highlighter if you had a deeper complexion, but because I'm quite pale, I'm just using this to give kind of like an all over bronzy glow kind of look. It has almost like a greeny undertone to it. I look so red on camera, I promise that isn't that much on my face. I'm going to pat it down with a beauty blender just to kind of like blend it away. Doesn't look this intense in person as it does on camera. To then finish off, I've just applied some mascara and I'm just going to apply some lip gloss. And this is just like a really natural, almost like a holiday kind of makeup look, you know, to enhance the bronzy glow. So as you can see, it doesn't look as crazy now it's a bit further away. It just looks really nice and glowy and bronzy and natural. And yeah, I actually really like this look. I think it's really nice, just basic. And I don't look as dead as I did when I began. So I've just added some lip gloss, just some, you know, plain kind of rosy tinted lip gloss, and as you can see it is a beautiful just bronzy natural look. It looks a bit crazy at first, but as you can see once you've just finished off with a bit of gloss, it's just like the perfect look that is just very natural, very bronzy, and a nice everyday look to make you look more awake. Thank you for watching the video. I'm so sorry that I couldn't be bothered moving everything over there. Honestly, I'm shattered and I'm scared that I would probably break something if I moved everything over there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look and using this highlighter. In the middle it kind of went a bit wish-washy and like it looked a bit off, but the end result, as you can see, is really nice, super natural and just very glowy and pretty. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you've missed the last 3 videos, they will be linked down below. You can go and check them out on my channel. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you all soon. Bye!